Hello and welcome. It's gilly.kube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm on my winner spinner and I'm going the Shelly art technique, believe it or not. So that paint was actually, it got marked on the top that it was from 2023 Shelly's pillow paint. So I'm not sure if anything's changed since 2023 when I got it out the cupboard. That's what it said. So I'm actually using, and I've done about 3 videos on this now, a boom gel stain. I used to use them a number of years ago and they've been sitting on my paint shelf maybe 4, maybe even 5 years, and I had collected them into a box and was going to turf them because I thought, no way will they, there you go, boom gel stain. No way will there be any good to use now because they're pre-mixed paint. So it's literally pour and paint. So I'm not sure if with the boom gel you are supposed to use house paint underneath, but because it was like a Shelly art style painting, I thought that I can't remember what I used. I could have gone back, but I was actually cleaning up in the art room and wasn't going to paint, so I thought, try them out, see how they turned out. I did one previous to this, which I'll tag on the end of this video too, that turned out so perfect. I thought, I've got to go again. So yeah, I'm just showing you the colours that I'm using, and I'm doing it on this lovely 25, I think it was a 25 by 30 canvas, and it's a nice little deep edged canvas, so really nice for if this turns out beautiful, then I'll give it a resin coat, don't I, and it'll really pop. So I've layered those colours on and I've made up my cell activator, which is the Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol, and I'm putting 2 cell activators on there. So that's the gold in the Amsterdam and the next one will be the black. So I'm putting 2 on there and seeing how it goes. I am not I'm just a very amateur at the Shelly technique stuff. There's so many lovely artists out there that do obviously a far better job than I could attempt to do because I don't do it very often. But look at that. That's with the boom gel stain that have been sitting there for donkey's years. And I did not expect to even get a cell out of that, or lace, or whatever it's called. Sorry about my big noggin in the camera shot. But this one did give me a few surprising effects. And yes, I think it should be called a fertility piece. So anybody trying to have babies, I think this one's going to be the one. You will see as it is spun out what I'm talking about, but I'll let you have a little look-see.
I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself. I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road. Wow.
Look at this. Fabulous. My goodness. Old boom gel stain. Old. About to throw out. Thought it would be no good after all this time. Ooh, it's got some weird and wonderful objects in there, I can tell you. Wow. Super duper. I'll be doing more of those. Love it. Thanks for joining me. Take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.
I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening, and there is no separation from you in the end. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow. Windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Shadow to the coast, past the surf and whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood.